नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर हेमंत व्यास, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर एंड हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ सर्जरी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। आज के सेशन में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं होम्योपैथिक थेरापेटिक्स ऑफ लीवर डिसीजेस के बारे में, जिसमें हम लीवर से रिलेटेड जो कॉमन डिसीजेस हैं जैसे कि हेपेटाइटिस, जॉन्डिस, इन सब के बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे और उनकी मेडिसिन जो है या फिर होम्योपैथिक मैनेजमेंट जो है इसके बारे में हम आज डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। सो फर्स्ट स्लाइड शोज द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ लीवर प्रॉब्लम्स सच एज हेपेटाइटिस। इसमें हम 3 मेडिसिन जो है वो बहुत अच्छे से एक्ट करती हैं, जिसमें है चेलिडोनियम, आर्सेनिक अल्प एंड फॉस्फोरस। सो देखते हैं चेलिडोनियम क्या करती है। इट इज़ अ वेरी इफेक्टिव in treating an enlarged liver with tenderness, dull, throbbing pain in the region of the liver. Is also best treated with medicine chelidonium. उसके बाद है arsenical, where hepatitis results from bad food or food poisoning. In that case, arsenical is the best medicine for liver problems like hepatitis. The symptoms to look out for prescription of arsenic is burning pain in the liver, which gets better with warm drinks. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट मेडिसिन है फॉस्फोरस, इज अनदर वेरी फ्रिक्वेंटली प्रिस्क्राइब्ड मेडिसिन फॉर बोथ एक्यूट एंड क्रॉनिक हेपेटाइटिस। देन लीवर प्रॉब्लम्स लाइक सिरोसिस, इनके अंदर अच्छे से एक्ट करने वाली मेडिसिन है कार्डस मैरियनस एंड फॉस्फोरस. सो दिस बोथ आर वेल इंडिकेटेड मेडिसिन as per the sphere of action of the medicines. Then Cardus marianus is a very effective remedy for liver cirrhosis with general edema. A liver that is engorged and swollen laterally, a condition that gets worse from pressure, is treated well with Cardus marianus. Then phosphorus is also very helpful in cirrhosis of the liver. A congested liver with weakness and sensitivity are treated well with medicine phosphorus, putting it on the list of top medicines for liver problems. Next medicine is picric acid and lachesis. It is used for liver problems such as fatty liver. So fatty liver is also known as the fatty liver disease, is an ailment in which large amount of fat accumulates abnormally within the liver cells. It mainly occur in persons who have excessive alcohol intake or who are obese. Picric acid is selected to treat a liver full of fatty granules. Next medicine is lachesis. It is very effective for liver complaints, largely among alcoholics. In cases where the liver region is very sensitive and a person can't bear anything around the waist, lachesis is one of the most effective medicine in that case. Then for liver problems such as jaundice, we use Chionanthus, natrum sulph and Crotalus horridus. Jaundice is another common liver problem that occurs due to high bilirubin level inside the blood and skin and sclera. Jaundice is primarily characterized by yellow pigmentation of skin and sclera. Chionanthus is very effective in chronic cases of jaundice which recur every summer. The symptoms include an enlarged liver, constipation, clay-colored stools and very yellow skin. Natrum sulphuricum is one of the most wonderful medicine for liver problems like jaundice, where the symptoms include a liver region that is sensitive, tender and sore to the touch. Vomiting bile is another indicator. Crotalus horridus is used to treat jaundice cases where the entire body has gone yellow. Pain in the liver, coldness and vomiting are some common symptoms observed in such cases. Then in liver problems such as gallstone, we use Berberis vulgaris and Chionanthus again. So sharp pain in the region of gallbladder are treated well with Berberis vulgaris, whereas Chionanthus is another excellent medicine for gallstone with soreness in the liver region. Gallstones and bilious colic accompanied by jaundice are also treated very well with Chionanthus, making it one of the top rated medicines for liver problems. That's it from the today's presentation. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you very much.